The PC crashed. Out, Kenya. So sorry about that. It wasn't the connection. It wasn't connection that dropped. It was my PC froze. So I had to reboot it, and it's not done that for a long time. I had a problem with it doing that. Well, about 18 months ago, it was doing that on a kind of semi-regular basis, but it's not done that for a long time. So I don't know. I think it was dog hair or dust. It just needed a clean the last time. So it's probably a similar situation now. I'll give it a clean. But yeah, that was pretty hairy. We'll see. We'll do another. We'll see what happens. We're still waiting on these IPOs to drop. So Raise B and Nomura Therapeutics will not happen. Simple. That moved up. A recent IPO last while. Just trading IPOs at the minute. I actually cancelled my order, Dikinya. I figured I don't need it now, so I've not been having any issues with the with this connection of late. So I just cancelled my order. I'll order it again if I need to, but this connection since I've been using a VPN, the connection's been fairly reliable. I wish I could say the same about the market. Let's see. So now we're into the market, and well, not a lot moving. If you're seeing something move, let me know. I'm not, quite frankly. NDX pulled back. So that's the top gapper today is NVX right now, top mover, 30% up on the day. Depends on the instrument you're keying. I mean, it's higher if it's forex. It's about 85% of people trading equities lose money in the long term. Those are, I think I took some statistics from eToro. It was everybody on the eToro platform. 86% of them lose money, and over a period of 2 years. 86% of them lose money, and their account gets taken off the platform. Yeah, that's what market makers do. I mean, and then of course they've got the spreads. They get the benefit of the spreads as well. $0.06, not volatile enough. Not a lot moving right now, guys. So I'm still waiting for these IPOs to go live today. Looks like Nomura is going to be dropping at $25 is what I've got right now. It's supposed to be 17. And raise B is looking like it's also going to be around $25, $24.75, and that was slated at 80. So well, they're not gambling. They get paid to add liquidity to the market. Nope, can't look at, can't trade that. PTCT. That moved up nice. That's some big move. $2 in the last 10 minutes. $2 in 10 minutes. That's a nice move. What's the story behind the big sell-off overnight? PTC Therapeutics shares are trading lower after the company announced the CHMP has given a negative opinion on the conversion of the conditional marketing authorization to full marketing authorization of Translarna for the treatment of NMDMD. Nonsense mutation Duchenne muscular disease. Try saying that when you've had a few drinks. But this was a $37 stock yesterday, dropped $10 overnight, down 28% currently. So it's trying to bounce, trying to make a move. Hello guys, how are you getting on? Let me know. How are you getting on? How's your trading day going so far? The S&P 500 is down quite a bit. So another slow day actually. I'll be glad for the weekend. To be fair, I'm looking forward to the weekend. We've got scheduled power out was yesterday. They've actually moved it to Sunday, so we've got scheduled power out Sunday. So we'll spend the day either by the pool or by the beach, whichever, and just enjoy the sunshine, I guess. We don't do forex on this channel, Boise. Is it a red week? No, hell no, Ryan. It's a nice green. It's a good green week this week. Let me take a quick look at my statistics here. Calendar for this week. So yeah, I mean, I didn't trade on Monday. 4,700 on Tuesday, 3,400 on Wednesday, and then 2,100. 21k, 21.5k yesterday. So it's a very good, it's a nice, good green week. Yesterday's big day has basically brought my daily average up to where it needs to be. I was averaging about just over 4k, and now I'm averaging just over 6k. So it's a good day. up until today. Had 2 red days the week before, but yeah, if I look at both Tuesday and Friday were red for me last week. I've had 2 red days in September so far. I started September off well with just under 14k on the 1st. I had a just under 20k day on the 7th. So it's not too bad. Not a bad day as such. Yes, I did, Ryan, because I was waiting for ARM Holdings to go live, and when that went, I traded Rocket Pharma, and then I traded ARM Holdings. When ARM Holdings went live, that was the one that made the money, and that was just after 12 o'clock. So it was worth me staying up because it was like 12:10 when I took my first trade on ARM Holdings, and that's after midnight. So it was worth me staying up. Managed to get some on UPTD, but you saw that. Got 1300 on Rocket and then 18k on ARM. So it's a good day yesterday. What are you doing, dog? Not seeing anything moving yet, guys. I guess it's waiting for these IPOs to go live again. There's going to be another one of those. Bring back the days of 2021 when stuff was popping and going parabolic every other day. Time for a little screen time for the dog. That's a very valid point, actually. Got a couple of pieces of jerk here. Here she is. Here we go. Yep. Would you like some beef jerky? Sit. There you go. There's your first piece. And there you go. Have some more. That's a good girl, aren't you? Eh? You're a good girl. You're a good girl. All right. Come back later. Have some more. I've got to move the camera. There we go. So the dog's been treated, and I over trying to make new waves. Maybe he's above the VWAP, over 570 maybe. Well, to be fair, Robin, not a lot going. Could have just taken the stream off, and I don't think much would have changed. There's not a lot happening right now. Not a lot of movement. Well, Miyako's been treated. Potential sell. What are you talking about, Lewis? Potential sell what? I'm not trading gold. It cracks me up. People come on and say buy, sell. What are you talking about? I'm not even looking at anything at the moment. Not in anything at the moment. I always kind of trying to get up there to pre-market highs. Range is terrible. It's like 5 cents on the range. Not liking that at all. Not enough volatility for me. PTCT is fairly volatile though. Considering it's a nearly $30 stock. This is moving up nicely. Session highs. 27.44. I don't trade commodities. It's equities only. Yeah. I don't know what price you bought it, Lewis. I mean, there's so you can't come onto someone's stream when they're trading and say, when you potential sell, like you not give the instrument that you're talking that you want to know is it a sell or not. That's the first thing, and the secondly is at what price did you buy? So that's another one. The question is, do I think it's a good time to go short or to sell a gold position right now? And the answer is, it's up to you. If you're trading gold, go. Work it out for yourself. Do your own due diligence. I'm not offering stock pick signals or financial advice. You come on someone's stream and start and you just shout potential sell ? What? What? Oranges? Get your fish, wet fish, white fish, £5 fish. Well, I thought PTCT might move. It's not doing. Well, it's Friday and I'm ready for the weekend. I've got backache. I think I'm gonna go get massaged tomorrow. One of those deep tissue ones, or one of those bendy ones that crack you. How's my week been? It's been a tough week, Jack. It's been a tough week. It's not been a great week to be fair. It's up until today. It's been a green week. But three. I didn't trade Monday. I took the Monday off. So of the 4 days, I've had 3 out of 4 green days. Yesterday, trading arm IPO yesterday was very profitable, and that's really made my week. Today, say small green day. It's a red day today. Small red day today. In the grand scheme of things, won't really impact too much the wider goals. Hey, look, if you don't do this job and be able to splash out a bit, then what's the point, you? But yeah, I've got a creak in my neck and backache, so I think I must have been sleeping in a funny position last night because it's yeah. I get someone to manipulate me. I would get my fiance, but she's not big enough. I'll watch the football, Alistair. I'll watch the football. Liverpool are playing. It's 7:30 tomorrow evening for me when they kick off, so that's a nice time. So I'll watch that game. I'll be watching. I'll watch some of the rugby, Rugby World Cup. I think Ireland. If Ireland don't win it this year, they'll never win it. This is the best time for Ireland to win a World Cup. They've got a great side. They're number one in the world. They're favourites for the title, and everybody else is playing poorly. So Ireland, if Ireland don't win the World Cup this year, they've no excuses. Yeah, the Miyako Trading Fund, Kenya. That's my charity. It was a decent game. I wouldn't say it was a great game. It wasn't exactly a classic, but Argentina's discipline they kept shooting themselves in the foot. Argentina should have won that game, but for their own discipline. I mean, the fact that George Ford won it with his boot on his arm, and the only tries were scored by Argentina, it speaks volumes. If Argentina had kept the discipline, they probably could have won that game, but they just didn't. I think the France game last night or yesterday was an interesting one against Uruguay. I mean, they run all the way against Uruguay. France were awful, and France were one of the pre-tournament favourites. They were awful. Namibia, I think it is this weekend. This is Namibia. It should be an easy one, Alan. I think it's Namibia. Let me just have a quick look for you. Got the Sky Sports app right here in front of me. Anybody seeing anything moving at all? No, it's New Zealand have got Namibia today. England play on Sunday against Japan. Oh, that could be banana skin for England. Japan are no pushovers. Japan are a decent outfit. Now, I wouldn't play the seconds against Japan. I mean, in the last 2 World Cups, Japan have beat South Africa, they beat Ireland, and they've beaten France, I think. So, yeah. Japan they are the perennial banana skins in the Rugby World Cup whenever the Rugby World Cup comes along. Horrible. Okay, let's have a quick look. Indicating 2340 for Rise B at this moment in time. $224 million IPO. So it looks like 17 million shares at 23.40. That's Rise B. You know, it's showing it's showing 23.75, but yeah, we'll see. Rise Bio. Let's have a look at Nomura. Nomura Therapeutics, Nomura, whatever. Yeah, so this is a 14 million flow, offering of 14.7 million, and that's looking at $22, $22.10 at the moment. Still, the price, they're being priced, just not live yet. Be interesting. Either of these will be interesting. Need them to be, because Arm's done me dirty today. I'm not complaining because it did me well yesterday. So it seems to be finding support at 62. So I'm watching for the break of 64. If it gets back at green on the day and 64, I'm watching for that. May take a smaller size, and if it breaks 65 or the VWAP, I might then start looking for that move up. Arm can still move up, but the volume is poor at the minute, relatively speaking. That's Arm. I over trying to make a move back up to test 570. I might actually just call it an early night. Hey, Super Chip. Yeah, that's standard practice for IPOs, Alistair. Standard practice. Margin comes down usually after day 3. You'll get margin allocation. It's choppy day today at Super Chip. I've taken quite a few entries on Arm, and I don't think a single one of them has been profitable for me today. I think, no, tell a lie, I think 2 of them might have been. But yeah, I've had a number of entries that just not going my way at the moment. I accidentally shorted it, and that's an unusual thing. So yeah, let's see. Nothing moving right now, guys. 4 minutes. I'll end it up at 4 minutes, and that take an early bath, I think. No point throwing good money after bad. Victoria's Secret's trying to go green on the day. What's going on with Victoria's Secrets? Not mention anything. No silly jokes. Alistair. I don't know about that, Jakinia. I would beg to differ about that. It might be interesting, but I wouldn't say it's entertaining. It's more entertaining. The skill levels are absolutely atrocious in comparison. Skill levels are on a par with the Unibond League. Not even. Oh, Victoria's Secrets. Green on the day now. Just moved a good 20 cents. And counting. Not great volume though. Again, that's what's missing from the market this last while. Volume. No. Not seeing any movement on. Let's have a look. NDX is selling off. I'm just going to put these 2 IPOs on here. switch. Yes, the S&P 500 is just S&P 500 is hemorrhaging today. Nothing but sell. With all the VWAP since the open. Broke the pre-market lows there at 445. So look at it on the daily. Yeah, we're still within this channel. Upwards channel. $440, and then I might start panicking. But 420 is where 440 is the key level. 420 is where it's at. Look at this on the daily. You can see it. I drew this middle line last week, whatever. But these two outside lines there, I drew them back in what, March, April, whatever it was, March. So yeah, and it's up here. We got rejected up at the top there. This one I drew because it's a key level, sending support. That's a SPY on the daily. Having another bad day today though. No, I can't remember any of the Barcelona B team from when Messi was playing for them. Yeah, I'm going to knock it on the head, guys. I think I'm going to head into the weekend. Hey, Penn State, good to see you. Oh, look, you take it as you find it, and if you need to take a break from it, you take a break from it, and when you come back to it, you be disciplined, trade small, and ease your way back into it. So sorry to hear it's been a tough year for you, Penn State. Yeah, I'm gonna have a weekend. I think I'm gonna go and have a beer. I'll give the dog another treat, and then I'll have a beer. Okay, guys, I'm going to knock it on the head. It's not a good day at the moment. There's two IPOs. I might stick around for the IPOs. If you're in the Discord, I'll see you there. So it depends, Glenn. So it depends whether it's my hot buttons or my hotkeys. I've got orders that I can set, which are buying the bid and selling the ask with tolerance, or I've got marketable limit orders, which is selling the bid and buying the ask. Robin, if you want the link to the Discord, it's you can get access to the Discord if you join the YouTube membership or you've taken the course. It's a private Discord for the Day Trade with Tony community. So yeah, it is private, Greg. So it's you can get access by joining the YouTube channel there, one of the subscription options there, or you can get access by taking the Day Trade with Tony course. That's why it's I don't mind people coming in, but you know, it's you gotta have some skin in the game. It's not just for anybody. Yeah, I was going to be gone and done for the day. I am about to be gone and done for the day, Stanford. So yeah, I'm about to be gone and done for the day. There's not a lot moving, so we'll finish on a red day. It's like a small drawdown, which we'll cover off on Monday. I'm confident of, and we do it all again on Monday. So you know yourself. Same place, same time, 8:30, and we'll look for a profitable week next week. Okay, guys? Take it easy. Enjoy your weekend.